Hello, bachcho. So let's read this question. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones lie in between alkanes and alcohols of comparable masses because alkanes are polar, aldehydes and ketones are nonpolar, alkanes are nonpolar, and aldehydes and ketones contain polar group, uh, and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding. Alkanes are held together by weak van der Waals forces being nonpolar. Aldehydes and ketones contain polar group and are held together by strong dipole-dipole interaction, and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding which is stronger than dipole-dipole attraction. Now let us write the key concept of the question. हमारे क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाएगा जो एल्केन्स होते हैं दे आर हेल्ड टुगेदर by van der Waals forces, which makes them nonpolar. And if we talk about the aldehydes and ketones, उसमें जो attraction होती है वो होती है dipole-dipole attraction. Dipole-dipole attraction. And if we talk about uh, the alcohols, तो alcohols में हमारी होती है hydrogen bonding. तो जब dipole-dipole attraction होती है तो हमारे aldehydes and ketones हो जाते हैं polar compounds. Now let us further talk about this question जिसमें हमें बोल रखा है इसमें फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हमें बोल रखा है alkanes और polar. So this is false. We just discussed that alkanes contains van der Waals forces and are nonpolar in nature. And if we talk about the B point, it says aldehydes and ketones are nonpolar. So becomes false क्योंकि हमने डिस्कस किया कि aldehydes and ketones में होती है dipole-dipole interactions which make them polar. So let us talk about the C and the D point. अगर हम बात करें the boiling point of aldehydes and ketones are higher than that of are higher than alkanes, or we can say hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses due to weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones arising out of dipole-dipole interaction. Association in aldehydes and ketones arising out of dipole-dipole interactions. Now, if we talk about the boiling points, why they are lower than that of the alcohols, क्योंकि aldehydes and ketones में there is no hydrogen intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So we can write their boiling points is lower than that of corresponding alcohols क्योंकि उनमें intermolecular hydrogen bonding present नहीं होती due to absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, if we want to explain it in the terms of the statements that are being given to us in the question, तो हम लिख सकते हैं the alkanes are held together by van der Waals forces which makes them nonpolar. Aldehydes and ketones contain polar कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप का स्ट्रक्चर कुछ ऐसा होता है and are held together by strong dipole-dipole attraction, and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding. Lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding which is stronger than dipole-dipole attraction. तो अगर हमें करेक्ट आंसर मार्क करना हो तो हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी बिकॉज इट सेज द सेम थिंग alkanes are non-polar and aldehydes and ketones contain polar carbonyl group and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding. अगर हम डी को पढ़े तो हमारा डी आंसर भी करेक्ट होगा बिकॉज इट सेज alkanes are held together by weak van der Waals forces. This information is not given in the C option, though C option is correct. By weak van der Waals forces being non-polar, aldehydes and ketones contain polar carbonyl group and are held together by strong dipole-dipole interaction, and lower alcohols have hydrogen bonding which is stronger than the dipole-dipole interaction. So both of these statements are true. And the correct explanation why boiling points of aldehydes and ketones lie between the alkenes and alcohols of comparable masses. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.